Hello, my name is Robert Clendinen, and I am the CEO of Course Insight. As a college student, I know the pain, I know the panic and the confidence crumbling. I know how difficult it is to build a balanced class schedule. But with my background in business management and my experience in AI prototyping, I've been able to design and create a product that is student-focused and course-specific. Course Insight, founded in 2026 by myself with over $50 million in the market, will help college students by showing real-time workload, time commitment, and difficulty. But what is the problem? The problem is that students have no idea what courses to actually register for because they have no data on course workloads and there's no transparency from courses to the students. The problem is made very clear through credit hours. There can be two classes, both with 3 credit hours, and one has higher exam density and project intensity, while the other has lower. So they do not compare, they're not the same. You cannot make good decisions, and without good decisions, you're going to make bad schedules, and that's going to affect readiness and grades. But what's the solution? Course Insight is going to help you save time by finding your course instantly and helping you understand it in under 30 seconds. It's going to help you register smart. It's going to give you average weekly workload and a difficulty score. And then it's also going to help you share your experiences through written reviews and tips. But how does it work? Well, first you're going to search for any course or subject. You're going to see the real student data, and then you're going to be able to compare your courses side by side, and then you're going to plan your schedule and succeed and share. The market is massive with over $100 million potential, but first we're going to be focusing on the 70,000 students at UCF out of the 10 million college students at large universities, which are part of the 19 to 20 million college students total in the US. But let's look at the competition. Is there really anything out there that can compete? The real answer is no. First, we're going to look at course-specific information and then high or low ease of use. Of course, there's Rate My Professor. Everybody knows Rate My Professor. It's very easy to use, but on the lower end of course-specific information. But then the UCF catalog, it has high information specifically to courses, but very difficult to use. And then friends and peers and Discord and Reddit, finding needles in a haystack, it's going to have low course specific information as well as low ease of use. But how are we planning to go to the market? Well, first we're going to be able to pump out awareness using social media content, Google SEO, and student referrals, turning into acquisition, them visiting the website, signing up for emails, and then they're going to get to reading and writing reviews, using a semester planner, figuring out that it actually works, and then they're going to share with friends, post on social media, and then we are going to expand to more universities in Florida. And these are our milestones for the next 24 months. We're first going to build and validate the MVP. We're going to officially launch the site, and then we're going to grow the user base past 1,000. We're going to expand marketing efforts. We're going to launch the semester planner, and then we're going to partner with UCF student organizations. We're going to achieve 5,000 users and launch at additional universities. Thank you.